Hi, I'm Greg, owner of USA Home Listings and an independent moving consultant for 20 years now. And before starting with Movegistics, I actually created my own CRM. I knew how important it was, and it cost me thousands and thousands of dollars. And it was never really a complete system. It was always a work in progress, never seemed to be completed. But now with Movegistics, I'm able to create my own custom estimate templates and tariffs, and with their support, now my CRM has become a money generating tool for my business and not a source of aggravation. But just as important, I think, is customer service, something that's important to me. The owner's always there to answer any of the questions I may have and any changes that I want to make. And he really, I think, understands the moving industry and the challenges that we face on a day-to-day basis. And he's able to implement that in the system as I wish. So if you don't have a CRM and you're considering one, give him a call. It's going to streamline your business, and it's going to give you back the time that you need to grow your moving business and take it to the next level.